Okay, here's what you're going to do, Lindita. You're going to go to My Goals. This thing here, this is the assignment. This is just a checklist. This just says what I want you to do. This is the actual assignment that I want you to do. So you click on that. You read the instructions. You read this you click here to see an example. So click. And then you're going to open this, or you can save it. If you just click open, you'll have to save it separately if you want to, and then OK. And it should open up, and there's an example. Okay, I'm going to close that. And here's the one that you're going to click and write in. So click on this. I would say save file. Okay. On my computer, it comes up here. So here, open it from here. Okay, and then you're going to click Enable Editing. And you read it, and you type. And then you're going to, when you're finished, you're going to File, Save As. Maybe you're going to put it on your desktop. Save it onto your desktop and put whatever you want to put here. Okay? And then save it. And then you're going to, oh, sorry, this is the teacher view. So you're going to click Submit. Mine says View All Submissions, so let me just switch this. You're going to go Add Submission. And then you're going to, you can add your file here. So click, look for your file, and now remember it was on your desktop. So where did we put it? My Smart Goals, there, open, and then upload this file. Okay, that's it. If you have any more questions, let me know.